Senate. Kasi yung Senado yung nag-issue ng warrant of arrest. Bakit sila kukunin? Anong authority nila to pick him up? Now they're saying that there's a letter. But the family, I heard the wife, I heard the brothers, I heard the sisters, they were all crying last night. So they better prepare a better script because nobody will buy that na may sulat yung pamilya to protect Mr. Lozada. And last night they were all crying looking for him. But it's a good thing, that they were pressured into bringing him out. Ang masama ko, meron silang masamang plano sa kanya na tinuloy nila. Mabuti na lang at somehow through the vigilance of media also, na-pressure yung whoever were responsible for the abduction yesterday, at least nilabas siya na buhay.
So you're calling this an abduction, sir?
Clearly, it was an abduction because abduction by the government, by the administration, because nobody can have access to sa tube. You try, kami senador na kami. Maski kumuha kami ng passes, limitado kami hanggang doon sa welcoming area doon, sa reception area, but not inside the tube. The only people authorized to enter the tube, yung galing sa aeroplano, na yung authority people, yung may mga dalang wheelchair, at saka yung immigration people. So why would an SPO4 belong to the PNP be given access kung totoo yung sinasabi nila?
What can the Senate do about this abduction?
We'll be meeting, I talked to the chairman of the Blue Ribbon. We'll be discussing kung ano yung next move ng Senado.